to me, hello, hello, me, to ya, to me, hello, pretty.
Pretty, baby Mara. Pretty, you are pretty.
Cat. I'm not cat now.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Don't do slide.
Give me an example. The object or names of person or animals begins with letter A.
Animals.
Animals. What else?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. What else?
Apple.
Apple. What else?
Ants.
Ants. Begins with letter
A.
A. Very good. How about letter B?
Ball.
Ball. What else?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. What else?
Bat.
Bat. What else?
Butterfly.
Birds. Begins with letter?
B.
How about letter C?
Cat.
C. Cat. Yeah, what else?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Yummy.
Yummy cookies. What else?
Cow.
Cow. Begins with letter
C.
C. How about letter D?
Dog.
Dog. What else?
Drum.
Drum. What else?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. What else?
Duck.
Duck. Begins with letter
D.
D. How about letter E?
Elephant.
Elephant. What else?
Elf.
Elf. What else?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Very good. Begins with letter
E.
Very good. How about letter F?
Fish.
Fish.
Frog.
Frog. What else?
Poop.
No, it's not letter F. Flower. Floor. What else?
Nine.
Feet.
Feather.
Feather.
F.
F. Father. Begins with letter F. How about letter G?
Goat.
Goat. What else?
Grass.
Grass. Very good. What else? Huh? Why? Baboy? Why are you crying? Huh? What happened? What happened to the baby? Why are you crying? Hmm? What happened? Who's fighting baby Mara? Oh, look at your face, ugly face. Oh, see, I love you. Why? Look. Why are you crying? Huh? You miss? Huh? Banana? Huh? Why are you crying? Tell me. Why, baby? Why are you crying, baby Mara? Look at your face, oh. Tatay GC, baby Mara, she's crying. What happened to baby Mara? What happened? Mercy, baby Mara. Kiss Nana Jenny, kiss. What happened? It's okay. Don't cry.